Let me ask you something honestly. Have you tried starting an online business? Watched videos, maybe even bought courses, but still felt confused, overwhelmed, or stuck? Right now, AI is changing everything. People with basic AI skills are charging clients monthly, without coding, without fancy degrees. But the real question is, how do you actually start and make money from it without wasting months? Today, I'm breaking down a product called Start a Freelance Business with AI Expertise, and I'll tell you exactly who this is for, who should skip it, and whether it's worth your money. Here's the problem most beginners face. They don't know what services to offer. They don't know how to get clients. They don't know how to package AI skills into something sellable. Knowing ChatGPT exists is not a business. Knowing some prompts is not a service. Clients pay for solutions, not tools. This product focuses on turning AI into a freelance income stream, not just theory. This is a done-for-you training plus PLR system that teaches you how to start an AI-based freelance business, what services you can offer immediately, how to position yourself as an AI expert, even if you're a beginner, and how to resell or reuse the content legally because it comes with PLR rights. This is important. You're not just learning, you're getting business assets. This is perfect if you are a beginner who wants an online income but doesn't know where to start, a freelancer who wants higher paying services, a business owner who wants to offer AI services to clients, someone who wants fast execution, not endless theory, someone who wants ready-made content instead of building everything from scratch. This is not for you if you want instant money without doing any work. You hate learning new tools at all. You're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. You refuse to reach out to clients or build a service. This is a real business model, not a lottery ticket. Inside, you'll learn how to identify high-demand AI freelance services, how to package AI skills into client-ready offers, how to position yourself online without being a guru, how to use AI tools to deliver results faster than competitors, how to reuse the PLR content to sell courses, create lead magnets, build authority content, or even resell it legally. Benefit: you save months of research, trial and error, and confusion. Let me be realistic. This will not make you rich overnight. But here's what is realistic. First AI freelance client within a few weeks. Charging 2,000 rupees 10,000 rupees per service. Scaling to monthly retainers. Using AI to work faster than traditional freelancers. That's where ROI comes from. I'm a beginner. This is literally built for beginners. I don't know coding. No coding required. AI market is saturated. Wrong. Generic freelancers are saturated. Problem solvers are not. What if I don't get clients? You're taught how to sell services, not just tools. You could buy a 20,000 rupees 50,000 rupees course. Watch 100 random YouTube videos. Or spend months testing blindly. This gives you a structured path. Ready-to-use content. A business model you can launch immediately. That's the difference. What I like. Practical focus. Beginner-friendly. PLR rights equals extra value. No unnecessary hype. What you still need. Consistency. Action. Client outreach. If you do your part, this can work. if you want to start a real AI freelance business without confusion. Check the link in the description or pinned comment. Click the link to see what's included. Bonuses and pricing may change. Don't overthink. Take action.